You know, we really live in an amazing world that has some just breathtaking country. We also need to understand how fragile some of this environment is. You know, people these days really do a good job of keeping care of their surroundings, their wildlife, beautiful pristine rivers. I walk up and down this beautiful stream and I don't see garbage and I don't see refuse, you know, just things that people are leaving behind. I see people cleaning up, taking care of their environment, really paying attention to the things that matter. These habitats are so beautiful and so fragile. If you imagine how beautiful a trout is and, you know, being able to catch one, hold one in your hand, they really rely on pristine waters like this and responsible people to keep track of it and to protect it for future generations.
Come on. Oh, nice. Oh, that was something. Super slow take on the hopper. Oh, I hope that one came out on video. That was a great take. Wow. Oh, slipped onto the dropper. Dang. Come on, baby. Come on. Got his fin now, I think. There we go. Oh. Saw the net and didn't want anything to do with that. Alright, I just want to kind of demonstrate a little bit the pace that I take when I'm walking through. I'm sneaking up on fish. Literally just one step, not casting. I've got a great view of the river bottom. The light is just absolutely perfect. And just one very small step at a time as I'm scanning the water. Really looking for fish and movement. And I'll shut it down now, but I'll turn it on as soon as I see the next fish. But I won't be casting until I see that movement. All it takes is for that fly line to be flailing around and just spooks fish, and you know, I catch more fish if I'm a little stealthy. Alright, we've got beautiful fish feeding. This is definitely not a rock. Right off the right side, right off the bank. I don't know if we can see it on video. Hopefully we can. The light's beautiful. I try to walk up so I'm past this fast drift here. Try to reach a hopper over to him without spooking him. Definitely feeding. So I'm going to just reach. Gotta put hopper right in front of his nose. There we go. Oh, didn't see it. Right there. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. That fish is not paying attention. Let's go on the right side. There we go. So I'm going to go for a dropper here. I'm going to put on a piece of 5X tippet just on the bend of the hook here. It's definitely not spooking on. Put a little bead head, that Arizona Prince nymph that Steve found a while back, tied up a few. My guess is we're going to have a hookup here. There. My guess is we're going to have a hookup here. There. Yep. Boy, these things fight like crazy. It's not that big of a fish, but Beautiful. Huh. Through the hook in the net. My hand's wet. I gotta get. Boy, that's a beautiful brown. Look at that. Beautiful fish. God, there's nothing like trout, man. They are just so gorgeous. They just shimmer in the sun. I'm not going to pump stomachs on this because I think I know what they're taking. I think it's just radiant. That's a perfect fish. Look at that. All right, bud. There you go. There's a nice little fish that I just caught on a scud. Can't reach my net right now. There we go. Pretty brown. Look at that. Scud right in the corner of his mouth. Come on. Boy, just by a little piece of skin too. There we go. There we go. Oops, just splashed. Dang it. Oh, there we go. There we go. So I'll tell you what. I'm using this Rio trout LT line. It has been my, holy cow, it's current. It has been just my favorite fly line all around so far. Just an amazing line. Come on. There we go. That's a good looking little fish. Hooked him in the side. Good looking little brownie. There you go, bud.